Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, health lovers, dearest ummah of humanity, and especially our families in Gaza. Okay, boleh ambil gambar sana. I think kat depan sana belah kiri is MCKK. Maybe not, tak tahu. We'll see. We are now in Kuala Kangsar. Road trip. Cantiknya rumah ni. Road trip dengan Nabila, my sister. Okay, we're gonna tak gerak lagi ni. Road trip with Nabila. Sungai Siput. Lepas tu nak ke Kulim, insya-Allah nak ke Perlis, insya-Allah nak melawat isteri bus dan anak-anak 3 orang, insya-Allah. Anak bus 3 orang lelaki yang bongsu SPM. So we are going to pass. So I'm dengar, oh no, it's not MCKK, it's Lidford. It's not MCKK, but it's okay. I'm in Kuala Kangsar since 1897. Oh, Clifford. Sekolah kawasan Clifford. Kan ini MCKK? Tak tahulah.
Jangan.
Tak apalah.
Cantik juga building tu.
I think this is MCKK ke? This is MCKK. Allahu Akbar. Ayah, I'm in MCKK, ayah. Ya Allah, ayah. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar. Miracle. I'm driving. Baru pas, yes. Baru pas tengok sekolah ayah yang pergi umur 9 tahun. Uncle Ya, if you're listening, MCKK, I just pass. Tak sempat nak singgah. InsyaAllah ada rezeki anda akan sampai lagi sekali. I'm driving, Uncle Ya. I'm driving. Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar. Okay, that's all people. Take care, stay safe, stay happy, keep healthy, keep calm and balanced, keep sane. Love. Aina Bukhari, A25525. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's go, jom. Don't forget, free Palestine. Assalamualaikum.